We are looking at how to pronounce this word that in English has two different meanings and two different related pronunciations. So how do we go about pronouncing it? If we're talking about music, this represents the lowest adult male singing voice. It's also denoting the member of a family of instruments that is the lowest in pitch. If we're talking about music, this word is normally pronounced as beɪs. Beɪs, beɪs. Bass guitar, for example. If we're talking about a fish, this represents a family of different species of fish. How do you go about pronouncing it in this case? Bass. So either bass if we're talking about the fish, or bass if we're talking about music. Bass guitar, bass fish. Pretty straightforward. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.